In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to zoom in and out in Photoshop. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Photoshop tips. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to zoom in and zoom out in Adobe Photoshop. A very easy tutorial. Alright, so there are many ways by which you can use to zoom in your document or your design in Adobe Photoshop or to zoom out. Alright, so let's start from how you can zoom out. So for you to zoom out, there are shortcut keyboard you need to press, which is Control plus. So by the time you press Control plus, you can press Control plus in the multiple time. This is depends on how best you want your zoom out to be. Okay, now as you can see right here, we have fully zoom out this particular image on the, as you can see on the screen right here. Now if you want to zoom in this particular image, there are two ways to do that. One of the first way is to press Ctrl plus 0. When you press Ctrl plus 0, this takes the full zoom out into a fitting of entire workspace in Adobe Photoshop, just like what you see right here. But when you press Ctrl minus, as many as possible time, it make the image or the workspace zoom in. It's as simple as that. Now alternatively, if you want to zoom out this particular workspace, you can simply come down below right here. We have a percentage right here in Photoshop. So what we can do right here is that we can simply type in a number that we want to zoom. So let's, for instance, we want to zoom this document to be 30%. I will press enter key on my keyboard, then it automatically zoom out. Now we want to reduce the percentage. We can simply press Ctrl A again and type in number. I want to zoom by 10%, then I'll press enter. So it's as simple as that. So these are the logical way and easy way to zoom in or zoom out in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.